has been confirmed that Canon is planning to release a new APS-C size RF mount mirrorless camera in the second half of next year. The camera will feature dual pixel autofocus version 2, which we have already seen in the R5, R6 models. The source confirms that this will be a small hybrid camera for both photos and videos. Also, there will not be any RFS mount as like the EFS mount which has been used for the APS-C size DSLR cameras. It is quite unsure that Canon will discontinue the EOS M mount, which is the current APS-C mirrorless mount system. Canon has been improving the R5 system with firmware updates, and now it is confirmed that the next firmware update for Canon EOS R5 is scheduled for November. There is no news regarding the firmware for R6 at this moment. These are the expected results of the updates. Canon Cinema Raw Light Edition, C-Log 2 and 3, 1080p slow motion at 120 fps, further tweaking of temperature control, bug fixes, and other more. The R5 and R6 replaced the DSLR 5D and 6C series. Now it's time for 1D series. Canon is developing a high-end mirrorless R system for the replacement of 1DX Mark III. We can call this R1 at this moment. It is expected to be released at the end of 2021. The expected features of this camera are all-new image sensor with a global shutter, a groundbreaking new autofocus system which is above the R5 and R6 system, which might be the quad pixel autofocus, fastest frame rate for a Canon camera ever, announcement at the second half of 2021. Some of the latest Canon patents point towards the features of future R1. This includes new quad pixel autofocus, which is an improvement over the dual pixel autofocus, and a brand new 21 megapixel sensor. We can expect more to come in the future. So stay tuned, the camera guide, for more camera related videos and contents.